video, we're going to make beautiful flowers for home decor. Let's get started. So take this thin wire and bend it, make this heart shape. After this, we're going to use different fabrics. You can use net fabrics, and then we're going to cover the heart portion. Curve it and make the flower petals. Similarly, we are going to hold all of them together and then bend it, as this is wire, so you can easily bend it and give it beautiful shapes like we're doing here in this video. And then we're going to put it inside the sleeves and it's done. Let's make flowers for home decoration with the help of wire and beautiful fabrics. As you can see, we're going to bend the wire and make the flower petal shape. Now cover it using net fabrics, or you can also take other fabrics. Make sure these fabrics are stretchable. Now we're going to make more such flower petals and then put a center yellow piece. After this, we're going to bend each petals and give it a proper desired shape. Look how your flower is ready. Let's make beautiful flowers. Look how pretty these are looking. So we're going to bend this wire like this and use different fabrics, cover the wire and cut the extra part. You can tie it using a thread. Now we are going to hold each petal and then again tie them using a thread, cover the wire using fluorite tape like we're doing here, and then bend the wire and give it a proper desired shape. Look, we are using white pearls as well. Paste it at the center, make more such flowers and add all of them on this wire. Cover the wire using fluorite tape and look how pretty these are looking. Let's make beautiful flowers. So we are going to make more flower petals and then combine all of them together, tie them using this white thread. Now we're going to cover the bottom as well. This is the center part of the flower. Now bend each flower petal like we're doing here in this video. Cover them and look, it is ready. Let's make flowers using wire and fabric. So we are going to bend this wire and then we are going to make the flower petals by covering and pasting the fabrics on the top of it. As you can see, these fabrics are flexible, and then we are going to make more such flower petals. Combine all of them and cover it using green fluorite tape. You can bend these flowers as these are wires and give it desired shape. Now cover it, put these leaves as well, and look how pretty this flower stick is looking. Make more such flowers for home decoration. Thank you so much for watching this video.